received the stainless steel cleaner and polish from Therapy Clean, and it works wonderfully. It also comes with this microfiber cloth, and it's pretty large too. Perfect. And it's also very easy to use. All you have to do is shake it up and then spray it on your desired stainless steel. And then all you have to do is wipe and buff. How simple is that? So let me show you how it works. So all you do is spray and then you wipe away. And it smells so good. It's in lavender scent. And you're left with streak-free shine. That's what I love about it. Now, you can do refrigerators. You can also do stainless steel microwaves, dishwashers, and stovetops too. Love it. This works wonderfully, as you just saw. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.